Maintaining status quo, Centre declared the entire state of Manipur, excluding areas within jurisdiction of 13 police stations across 5 districts, as disturbed under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act for an additional 6 months. The move comes when the state has not seen any major or prolonged bout of ethnic violence for past 7 months, contrary to the trend of recurrent clashes between two dominant ethnic groups since May 2023. Also, political landscape has changed since the last notification under AFSPA was issued on 14 November 2024, with CM N. Biren Singh having stepped down in February, followed by imposition of president's rule in the state. In separate notifications that also maintain status quo, center extended validity of AFSPA in parts of Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh until 30 September 2025 unless withdrawn earlier. As per notification, with respect to Nagaland, 8 districts and 21 police stations spread over 5 other districts would continue to remain in disturbed areas list. Similarly, EFSPA will continue to apply in Tirap, Changlang, and Longding districts as well as areas falling within jurisdiction of 3 police stations in Namsai district. According to Home Minister Amit Shah, there is now a semblance of normalcy in Manipur, with shops and markets having opened and prices kept in check, and talks between the sparring ethnic groups also on track, with one round already held at the level of Home Ministry and another expected soon. In the last EFSPA notification for Manipur issued on 14 November 2024, 6 police stations across states, 5 districts were declared as disturbed till 31 March 2025, barely 1.5 months after they were included in notified list of 19 police stations kept out of EFSPA purview. In a break from usual practice of state government notifying disturbed areas under EFSPA, the notification was issued by the center. The move to declare 6 additional police stations as disturbed in November had bucked the trend since 2014. For the first time since Modi government assumed office at center, the area under EFSPA within a state was being expanded. Now, extending EFSPA validity further till 30th September, unless withdrawn earlier, center notified the entire state as disturbed area except 13 police stations.